Hi everybody, welcome back to Social Nerd. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up on Groupon. For that you'll need to open up browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open up your browser, search groupon.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on Groupon's website. Then tap on the 3-bar menu icon which is on top left of your screen. Now you'll have to scroll down and there you'll see not a member, sign up. Tap on sign up in order to access the link. Here you can see that you can sign up with email, Facebook or Google. For now, I'm going to show you how to sign up with email. Firstly, enter your full name. Then enter your email address that you want to link to your account. And then create a password. Be sure to create a strong password. After you are done, tap on the green tab that says sign up. This way you can sign up on Groupon. Now you can get great deals for products and services. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.